How to delete Truth Social account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your Truth Social account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete a Truth Social account, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Truth Social application. After you launch the Truth Social app, you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is to simply tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen. And from here on, you simply want to go to the option called Settings. After you go to Settings, just scroll down and you'll find the option under the Others tab that says Delete Account. So just tap on Delete Account option, tap on Delete My Account, enter your current password and tap on Delete Account button, and your Truth Social account will get successfully deleted. This way you can delete your Truth Social account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.